All right, Math 7, we are doing something called identify scale copies. Not the most difficult thing in the world to do, but you definitely probably want to pay attention just to make sure you don't make silly mistakes. So here's what we're looking at. If you take a look at figure A right here, and then you take a look at figure B right here, what we are doing is making sure that they are multiplying or dividing by exactly the same thing in each shape. So you'll notice here, going from a side of 6 to a side of 3, you'll notice that figure B is half of what figure A is. Well, is this side is 1/2 of 2? Yeah, it is. This side is 6, this side is 3, 3 is half of 6. This side is 4, this side is 2, 2 is half of 4. This side is 8, this side is 4, 4 is half of 8. So yeah, this one is exactly, every side here is exactly half of every side here. So that is a scale factor, okay? Or that is a scaled copy. Let's take a look at another one. They're going to give it to you sometimes this way, okay? On this one, you do not need to count the diagonal. You do not need to count the diagonal on a triangle, but you do need to count the base and the height. Notice the height on this one went up 1, 2, 3. The height on this one went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Going from 3 to 6, this doubled right here. So let's make sure this one doubles. Figure A goes over 1, 2, 3, 4. Figure B goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 to 8, it did double, so that one again is a scale factor. Let's take a look at one more here. Okay, wow, this is kind of an interesting one. All right, so this one, I like the easy edges. You notice how this one's only 1 long? This one is 1, 2, 3 long. So this shape here is 3 times longer than this shape here. Let's make sure that holds true. I'm going to count this side right here. Notice how that one has 1, 2 on it. So I'm going to count these. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is 8. So it went from 2 to 8. This one is 4 times bigger than this one, but this one was only 3 times bigger than this one. Since it did not use the same multiplier each time, then it is not scale factored. That's what you're doing. Good luck to you guys, and I will help you on Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.